Hello and welcome to the Avery Review. Looking forward to the new year? Here are 10 ways to revolutionize your plate for a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to subscribe to help this channel reach a wider audience. Let's begin. Quinoa Power Bowl packed with protein, quinoa, colorful veggies, and a zesty tahini dressing make for a satisfying and nutrient-rich meal perfect for boosting energy and supporting muscle health. Sweet potato avocado toast. Upgrade your classic avocado toast by adding slices of roasted sweet potato for a delightful combination of creamy and crunchy textures, providing a nutrient-packed start to your day. Chickpea spinach curry. A flavorful blend of chickpeas, spinach, and aromatic spices. This curry is not only delicious, but also rich in iron and fiber, promoting digestive health and overall well-being. Mango black bean salad. Juicy mango chunks mixed with black beans, red onion, and cilantro create a refreshing salad that's high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, supporting immune function and skin health. Cauliflower pizza crust. Swap traditional crust for a low-carb cauliflower version topped with veggies and tomato sauce. Enjoy pizza while boosting vegetable intake. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralized zucchini noodles tossed in vibrant pesto make a light and nutritious alternative to traditional pasta, providing essential vitamins and minerals for a nourishing meal. Spaghetti squash with tomato basil sauce. Replace traditional pasta with spaghetti squash for a low-carb alternative, topped with a flavorful tomato basil sauce for a dish that's both delicious and nutritious. Kale and berry smoothie. Blend kale, mixed berries, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed smoothie that's rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, promoting overall health and supporting a strong immune system. Avocado chocolate mousse. Indulge in a guilt-free dessert by blending ripe avocados with cocoa powder and sweetener for a creamy chocolate mousse that's high in healthy fats and antioxidants, supporting heart health. Edamame and brown rice bowl. A protein-packed bowl featuring edamame, brown rice, and a medley of vegetables, this dish is a wholesome source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting digestive health and energy. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe.